So hey, hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So this is my customer fountain pen. This is a Parker Duofold fountain pen. As you know, this is a big one, a big black fountain pen by Parker. Let's zoom in. Kindly ignore my inky hands because currently I am fully done this my customer's shapers nicely. Anyhow, this video also you get soon. Anyhow, let's back to topic. This is Parker made in Canada, big black default, and this nib is Parker default made in England, a beautiful super big size Parker 14 karat gold nib. Let's reassemble this fountain pen. So friends, this pen I fully clean nicely and I fully polishing well with a very nice material, important material. As you can see, this pen is shining very well. Let's assemble the cap first. Parker clip inside the finial. As you can see, yeah, the cap is assembled nicely and this looks very beautiful. So this pen sack is in very bad condition. The big sack is not available easily in India. This is normal sacks. So as compared to this, let's, as you can see, this is very big size sack. So I always put some solution on the sack because the top of the sack is very soft. This trick enhance the sack's life. And this is Parker section. This is original Parker feed, ebonite feed. The totally pen is made up of ebonite. Even this finial, these threads totally made up of ebonite. Put in the pen. This fits nicely. I also polish this beautiful nib. As you can see, this nibs looks very beautiful. So let me install this sack nicely off camera. You can see I fit this sack nicely. Now this pressure bar, I have to put this nicely, sack gently, and I also put some solution because this is push type, not thread type. Sometimes I have to work on that nicely off camera. Now pen is completely serviced and ready to write. As you can see, 1 2, this works excellent. Let's put the blank cap also and let's cap the pen. Our beautiful restoration Parker Duofold is complete. Parker Duofold, big black, completely restored, completely serviced, completely polished, brass, ebonite, new sack with the new pressure bar because old pressure bar is totally rusted. Gold nib, a beautiful ebonite feed. Let's fill it with water first. So friend, let's check how much ink this pen takes. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. This is enough. So friends, let's check. Wow man. So friends, a good restoration, a good service takes time and money. Anyhow, this pen is in totally excellent condition now, full serviced, and this is ready to write for many years now. If you want to replace your fountain pen sack and want to repair your fountain pen, please contact on the given number which is showing on screen. This is Parminder Singh from Grandpa Fountain Pen Company, official host and official owner of this company. As you can see, the polished fountain pens now. See you again in next video. Till then, bye bye.